Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot change App Store country or region because of Apple Music subscription. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to change your country or region in your App Store, but you must face the error that you're unable to change country or region because of your Apple ID or your Apple Music subscription. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings and just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then tap on your Apple ID, and here just tap on subscriptions, and you might see all the subscriptions you have in your Apple ID. So if you find any pending subscriptions here, just try to remove them or just try to pay that, or you can also try to cancel your Apple Music subscriptions. So once you have done, you have to go to your App Store and just retry, and this time you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.